Okay, so welcome to the second part of position vectors. The question might come like this: find vector AB. All right, it's always written like this, more like find the line AB. All right, so how do we solve this? Okay, we can decide to first of all go. Definitely, we are saying we are going from A to B. Okay, we are going from A to B. Of course, given the fact that it's position vector, it's always with reference to the origin, the O. Of course, so we must have first of all drawn our line. Okay, let me draw this. First of all, drawn our line OA like this. All right, and of course, must have drawn our line OB, form more like a triangle like this. That's OB, of course. So how do we go from A to B? We can just go from where A going to straight to B like this, or we can first of all go AO. So it's going to be AB. It's going to be what? AO plus what? OB. Okay, so if you're going to go from A to B, we go from A to O first of all, then we go from O to B. All right. So according to the law, triangle law of vectors, it goes AO plus what? OB. That's how we're going to get our what? AB. All right. So that's that written. Vector AB is what? Vector AO plus vector OB, like this and like that. Okay, but if you notice this thing very well, AO, line AO or vector AO is actually the opposite direction of what? OA. OA goes up as according to this arrow. Normally, if you are going to be drawing this on the Cartesian plane, you go from 0 to A and the arrow goes up. All right. But if you are finding from A to B, you go down, which is AO, which is the opposite direction of what? OA. And that is why we can write AO as negative OA. All right, both of them are the same thing. They are the same thing, but only that they are just different in direction. They have the same magnitude, they have the same length, they have the same line, as you can see, but the direction is opposite, and that's why AO becomes what? Negative OA, okay, plus OB. So that is vector AB. And this can be written as vector AB equals what? Vector OB negative vector OA. All right. So you can write it like that. So basically, if you're solving questions that require, position vectors, and you're asked to find from A to B or from P to Q, it becomes AB, for example, becomes what? B minus A. If it's from P to Q, for example, you are going from find, the question says find vector PQ. It becomes what? Q minus P. So that's how we're going to be solving it going forward. All right, see you in the next question.